In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your Reddit notifications. If you are receiving a lot of notifications from Reddit and you wish to turn this off, then I'll show you how you can disable various notifications from your account. And if you have been missing out on important notifications, then I'll also show you how you can enable or turn them on. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is to log into your Reddit account, and once you are logged in, head to your profile here. From here, go down to settings, and from settings you can see we have this option for notifications. Here you'll be able to see various notifications that you can manage. For instance, we have community notifications. You can manage them by just clicking on this and choose which to turn on and off according to the communities that you joined. If you want to disable web push notifications, you can disable or enable them by toggling this on and off. We also have messages. These are chat messages and also chat requests. If you click on all here, you can see we have this option to turn all on, or if you don't want, you can also uncheck this. Here on chat messages, we have to all and inbox. We also have this chat request notifications. You can also manage them. Apart from that, we have activity notifications. Choose the one that you wish, and you can see here their current status, and you can see the list is so long. You can specify or turn on specific notifications. So that's how you can manage notifications on your Reddit account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.